Welcome to AYATIUM. What if time is not flowing forward, but appearing moment by moment, like frames rendered by a deeper reality? What if the past isn't gone, the future isn't empty, and the present is not a thin knife edge, but the only window through which reality is unveiled? In modern physics, a radical idea is taking shape. Time may not be fundamental. From relativity's flexible clocks to quantum gravity's timeless equations, our best theories whisper the same message. The universe might be a structure where all moments exist at once. We don't travel through time, we experience slices of a larger whole. Einstein showed that time is not universal. Gravity slows it. Speed stretches it. Two identical clocks diverge simply by living different lives, one on a mountain, one by the sea, one on Earth, one aboard a jet.
If time were an absolute river, its current would be the same everywhere. But it isn't. It bends, dilates, warps.
The now you inhabit is not identical to someone else's now across the cosmos. Reality does not share a single ticking heart. It has local rhythms, like instruments playing within a grand symphony. Relativity suggests a block universe, past, present, and future form a four-dimensional structure, all equally real, like pages of a book already written. We do not create time as we go, we read it, line by line. To consciousness, this feels like flow. To physics, it looks like geometry. In attempts to combine quantum mechanics with gravity, some formulations remove time from the fundamental equations altogether. Dynamics reemerges only when an observer compares one part of the universe to another, like using a vibrating atom as a reference to measure change. In other words, time may be relational, a score we write over an underlying timeless stage. If nothing changes, does time pass? Or is time simply our name for ordered change? But I feel time moving, you might say. Enter entropy. Systems tend to spread from order to disorder. Eggs break, they don't unbreak. This one-way drift, the arrow of time, gives us memory of the past and expectation of the future. Yet the underlying laws are largely time-symmetric. The arrow emerges statistically from initial conditions, not from a cosmic clock. The flow you sense is a story your brain tells while riding entropy's downhill slope. If the universe is a timeless structure and flow is how consciousness reads it, then your life is not a river carrying you away. It is a gallery of moments, and awareness walks the gallery, frame by frame. The present is not a point sliding along a line. It is a spotlight revealing one still at a time, while the whole film already exists beyond the beam. Across centuries, spiritual wisdom echoed this. In Tasawwuf, the world is a veil, dunya, and the present moment is where the veil thins. Yesterday is a trace, tomorrow a trust. What is real stands outside the frames, sustaining every moment simultaneously. To cling to the past or fear the future is to forget that the giver of the moment is nearer to you than breath. Time, then, isn't your owner. It's your classroom. If time doesn't flow, responsibility does not vanish, it sharpens. Every frame holds weight. Presence becomes a moral act. Attention is devotion. Gratitude is alignment. If all moments are known to the source beyond them, what matters is who you are in the only place you ever truly meet reality, this moment. Repentance is not traveling back, it is revealing a truer you in the next frame. Hope is not denial of difficulty, it is trust that the author writes with mercy. Maybe the scientific discovery that time may be an illusion is not cold abstraction, but a door. If time is the film and you are the watcher, then the question is not how fast the reel spins, but who you become as each frame appears. One day the projector will stop. The story will remain. When the light fades and the veil lifts, will the gallery of your moments show a heart that woke up to the real? Don't forget to subscribe AYATIUM and follow for more scientific discovery.